Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to. And today I have the American Influencer Beauty Bundle right here in this box. And this is new to me. I think this is my second box, and this is a bi-monthly box, $34 bi-monthly, free US shipping, and the it's referred to as the AIA Beauty Bundle, American Influencer Beauty. I'll give you a quick rundown until we've done this a few times, and then I'll just post it in the description box. The AIA Beauty Bundle is bi-monthly, giving you access to influencer brands and products. Each bundle features a new influencer, which is nice to try different companies and brands. You get 5 to full-size beauty products, makeup, skincare, hair care. Every bundle box is valued at over $100, and they donate $1 for each bundle purchased to their charity of choice, which is nice. Pretty box. I like this box. Just slit the tape. Oh, yeah, okay. So here it comes with a card, and I like because they give you the products and does it give you prices? Yes, it gives you prices. And this is Hey Manna Babes. So this is from Manna Kadar Beauty. Nice. I like Manna Kadar. So this is what the box looks like when I open it. And then we'll lift this up real fast. I don't want anything to fall out. So this is what I see. So this is going to be the June-July box because it is bi-monthly. Okay, so we'll use the card as our reference. So this is, I can find the front. I don't know how well this is going to show up right here. And this is the Hydration Happy Face Mist, skin-loving ingredients derived from seawater. Hydrating formula helps soothe and calm your skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application. $19 value. There's a nice, I don't even, like almost like a sweet scent. I'm not going to spray it. I have my fan on, so it's probably just going to blow it, but that is a nice size. 180 ml, 6.08 ounces. That's nice. I like that. Let's see what we have here. Oh, a Luxe Lash Serum. And these are all from Manna Kadar. This is a value of $29, made with non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use of the serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set of lashes. Nice. And it does give you, I mean, you can see on the front before and afters. I don't think it's that dramatic. Apply 1 to 2 times daily to clean and dry lashes. You allow the serum to dry completely before applying additional lash products. So you can use this, let it dry, and then put mascara on. And this, let me see if we can take this out. It is all taped up. So it's a nice size product and nice packaging. What else do we have here? We have Manna Kadar Turn It Up Volumizing Mascara. That's nice. Turn it up. $29 value. Rich, creamy, long-wearing mascara that won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. It says the custom wand reaches every part of the lashes, keeping them separated and defined for the perfect flutter and flare. And this is sealed up too, so I don't want to open these because I am going to be giving these away in a giveaway. But you can see the packaging. Very nice. So let me see if I can put these here without knocking stuff over. The next product is Liplocked Priming Gloss Stain. Liplocked Priming Gloss Stain, $24 value. Built-in primer for long wearing and smooth application. Innovative, hydrating, are all these sealed? Oh, the bottom is not. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and a stain. Infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extract. Oh, this is a nice shade right here. Let's see, you can see that. This I might be keeping, probably. Oh, if I could just open it. Okay. I'll show you this wand right here. almost like a chemical-y smell. I wish they would have done like the vanilla smell or that sweet smell, but let's get that back on there tight. Oh gosh. Okay, it locks. So that's nice. I'm excited for that. And the shade is Sienna. So that's nice. Probably keep that for myself. And that, did I tell you that was $24? And we have 2 more products. And this is the HD Perfecting Powder. I don't know, there's probably going to be glare on that. Perfecting Powder, $29. Let's see, seals. Get this. Oh, dropping everything. Open this on the bottom. Create a matte, silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Long wear universal powder for all skin tones. Keeps makeup put all day. How do I open this? Has a mirror and a little protective shield, and that's what that looks like. You know, these are all full-size product. These are not samples. Nice mirror. There's nice black packaging, and it had a little, you know, protectant on it, I guess to help keep fingerprints off, I guess, while they package it. So let's get that back in there. That's nice. And then the last product, so let me put some of these back in here so that they, a lot of times the box will go to fall over if I don't. So let's just get them out of the way. So here, this is step 3. Cannot read that to save my life. Longwear Powder Split Pan Duo 3-in-1 Highlighter Shadow Blush. Here's the outer packaging. That's sealed. This is sealed. Oh, you can get in it. It had little bubble packaging, which is nice. Same packaging, you know, the black packaging. Let's open this up. I struggle with these if they don't open easily. That opened pretty nice. There is a protective shield, so I'm just going to put that up in the mirror. And these are the 2 shades. That's more like the pinky tone. I'm more of a peach tone for blush. Does it say? It says Uptown is the, looks like one is Fame and one is Chic. Probably Chic or Chic, one or the other. So that's nice. So I'm going to share a lot of these in probably in June and July's giveaway, just because I cannot keep all this stuff. But this is really nice. I've been loving this box. I think this is better. This AIA beauty bundle that you get. Here's the card. I don't have the total value added up. I should have, I don't know, I should bring my phone with me so I could quickly add them up, but I'll put that on the screen when I take photos. I think this is one of the better boxes that I get as a bi-monthly. Now, I wouldn't want to get this every month. $34 is not really a lot considering, you know, if you're paying $25, $30 for some of the other ones, a few more dollars. These are all full size, and I like that it's all one brand. But I wouldn't want all my boxes to be all one brand. I like the variety of brands. But for this one, I do like that each influencer, each brand, so forth, gets to be featured in a box. And this is Manna Kadar, this June-July box. So I think that this is an outstanding box. I would highly recommend this to anyone and everyone that is looking for makeup, skincare, hair care products. I mean, we got hair care, the last one. I cannot remember the gentleman's name with all his hair care. Phenomenal. Love the shampoo, conditioner, and just all the other products. Phenomenal. Now, every so many shampoos, I switch to a different shampoo and conditioner, and I try to switch up products. Your hair does have memory and will get used to a product, and then it no longer works the way you want it to or it's intended to. So I switch them up I wash my hair twice a week. In the summer, it might be 3 times a week, just because you get sweaty and you're a little more hot. Or if you're swimming, things like that, you have to, you know, wash your hair. In the winter, twice a week is all I wash my hair. So every, you know, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I'll totally switch out my hair care products, especially the shampoo and conditioner, just to try new stuff. And it really does help. I have a shampoo bar that I've been rotating in and out through products, and love that. So same thing with beauty products. I love trying new brands, and I've tried quite a few Manna Kadar, but not all of these products. So I'm always excited to try a lash serum. I mean, my lashes are long and they're good, but they could always be thicker. I mean, I don't know anybody that would say their lashes don't need any help. So I'm excited to try the products in this, and like I said, highly, highly recommend this box. I think it's phenomenal. I would rate this my #1 box on a bi-monthly basis. So thanks so much for watching. I hope everyone is doing well. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.